Follow the steps for a safe operation. Tie the Fore painter line to the bollard to prevent dragging when the lifeboat is waterborne. Great job! Now go to the aft side of the lifeboat and tie the aft painter line. You almost there. Keep teleporting. Now tie the aft painter line to the bollard. Perfect. Now please teleport near the winch brake. On your lower left side, you will see the safety pin of winch brake. Please remove it for lowering the davit when you are inside of the lifeboat. Overlashing ropes are used to secure the lifeboat. On your lower right side, there is a turnbuckle attached to overlashing wire rope. Please slack the turnbuckle by turning anti-clockwise direction. Great! Now, pull out the pin to disconnect the overlashing wire rope from turnbuckle. Now go to the Fore side of the davit to repeat the same steps for other overlashing wire rope. Please slack the turnbuckle again by turning anti-clockwise direction on your lower left side. Great. Also remove the safety pin to disconnect the overlashing rope. Perfect job! Now, on your right side, there is a Davit Arm Brake holding the arms. First, remove the safety pin of brake handle. To disengage the brakes, lift the handle upwards. To keep the Davit Arm Brakes at open position and prevent any accidents, please reinsert the safety pin. You have completed the all tasks on the deck. You have done an amazing job so far. Now go up to the davit platform by teleporting on the ladders. Nice! I see the painter line is also attached Fore side of the lifeboat. Now, you need to secure the overlashing wire rope to prevent any blocking during lowering. Push or pull the wire rope until it is freed from lifeboat. Please go and do the same step for aft side. Push or pull the wire rope until it is freed from lifeboat. Remember, many incidents happened because of non-secured overlashing ropes. Great. I also see the aft painter line is attached. Now, on your left lower side, battery plug must be disconnected. Amazing. You have completed all steps on the deck side. Now, please get in the lifeboat. Turn the handles anti-clockwise direction and drag the hatch. Nice. Now, there are a few steps left before lowering. Please teleport near the control panel. On the aft side of the lifeboat, there is a drain plug under the cover. Open the cover first. Drain plug is used to drain out the water inside the lifeboat when not in use. Please close it by turning clockwise direction to prevent any water intake. Good. Close back the cover. Now open the cover in front of you. You will see the engine compartment. Remember, fuel valve is red, cooling water valve is blue. Open the valves by turning anti-clockwise direction. Good. Close back the cover. Perfect. Now there is just one step left for the safe operation of engine, which is energy. On your left side, you will see the battery switch. To activate the all batteries, turn the indicator on the both section. All right, let's get in the seat and ready to lower the lifeboat. Before doing anything, first, fasten your seatbelt. All right, are we ready? Now on your port side, pull down the wire rope slowly to lower the lifeboat. It was stressful, but we are waterborne hopefully. Now start the engine by turning the key in front of you. Wow, engine is noisy! You can hear me, right? Now on the starboard side of the control panel there is offload mechanism. Pull the safety pin first. Now, pull back the release handle to disconnect the hooks. Just below the panel there is a handle. Pull it back to disconnect the painter lines. Now it is time to get away from the ship. Turn the steering wheel to starboard side and push forward the gas throttle. Congratulations! You have completed the training mode of this scenario. You have learned all the proper steps for lowering the lifeboat by Davit. Now, if you wish, you may test your skills on the assessment mode without hints. If you need, you can go over the training mode again. See you on the next scenarios. Bye.